Hello, this is Mike with Credit Repair USA. We thank you for thinking of us for your next business adventure. We are once again opening up positions for new credit repair agents. We took close to a year off from bringing in new agents, but with our new structure, we believe you're going to love what we have to offer for 2019. Let's start off with technology and cryptocurrency. We're a tech-driven credit repair firm that utilizes technology to get our clients the results they pay for and are expecting. No mailing out dispute letters, no filing of papers, no faxing, no emailing, no scanning, no waiting on clients to send you their dispute letters in the mail. Not one piece of paper is used in processing a credit client. It's all digital. And now, with us entering the crypto space, we've partnered with Active WorldBit and are part of their blockchain tech. Yes, we are the only credit repair company with its own digital asset, and as a new agent, you'll become part owners in Credit Repair USA via token ownership. Now, let's get to the good stuff and put a wrap on everything. This is what we offer new agents. A 100% contract, your own custom website, your own CRM so you can run and manage your business, agent access to our credit software, 2,500 credit repair leads upon sign up. That should keep you busy for the first year of you being in business, training in person or in our Houston or Honolulu location via the web. Every new agent will receive 25,000 Active WorldBits after their first active year with us. Each Active WorldBit has a value of $5 each within the club, so right from the jump, you've already made profit and you haven't even processed one client. Our $1,000 refund policy and money-back refund policy, we allow every one of our agents to use that as part of their marketing pitch, as corporate will back up that $1,000 to all of our agents. Now for a quick example. Look at the client list behind me. If you can produce those same amount of clients every month, you're looking at revenue of $19,000 per month. 23 clients at $800, you do the math. This is a very lucrative business, but you must be trained properly and follow our business model. We would love to have you as part of the Credit Repair USA family, so please visit our website at www.creditrepair.usa.us or fill out a contact lead form through this franchise page. We'll have one of our representatives reach out to you within 48 hours. I thank you so much for your time and wish everyone a prosperous business, no matter what business venture that may be. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that we have set aside only 500,000 Active WorldBits for new agents, so once our allotted digital token has reached its limit, we will no longer bring in any new agents. So doing the math, that allows us to only bring on 20 new agents for 2019. As you can see, spots are very limited, so if this is the industry you choose to be in, please contact us and let's get your business up and running and our relationship built. Thanks again for thinking of us, and I hope everyone has a blessed day.